dear students, good morning. Today we will start about revision for your annual examination. Okay, so already you know about we have sent the timetable and portion for your WhatsApp groups. So I give a six lessons for your examination, like a food in your EVS subject. Okay, like food, water, clothing, cleanliness, plant life and animal life. So in these lessons, so you have no more time, as soon come to the exams, so you take a serious and more practice for these lessons, particularly in these lessons activities. Okay, so once again we will revision for these lessons activities. Okay, shall I start today? Yes, once again we will revision. Yes, so lesson number 8, food. So in this lesson particularly we learnt about we get food from plants and animals, and we learnt about energy giving foods. Okay, next meal time, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, in this particularly we learnt about in these topics. So first one, we need food to we are also need a food in our daily life, so that food help us to grow. Okay, food gives us energy for our daily activities, and it also make us strong and healthy. Okay, do you know about children? We already know about we get a food from plants and animals, like plants and animals. Okay, plants give us fruits and vegetables, like fruits, orange, apple, pineapple, jackfruit, jumbo, this type. And vegetables also like carrot, pumpkin, brinjal, cauliflower, potato, onion, tomato. These are all vegetables. So vegetables and fruits we get from plants. And next, some plants give us grains. Okay, we also get grains from plants, like jowar. Can you hear this picture? Yes. And we are also get food from animals, like milk, eggs, fish and meat. Some people do not eat egg, fish, meat. They are called vegetarians. And some people eat eggs, fish, meat as well as fruits and vegetables. And we are called these people like non-vegetarians. Okay, vegetarian and non-vegetarians. And next to meal time. Okay, so we eat meals at different times of the day. We have breakfast, we eat a breakfast and lunch and a dinner, snacks also. We have breakfast in the morning. It gives us energy to start our day. We must always have a fruits and a glass of milk with the breakfast. So this is breakfast in the morning. We eat in the morning. And afternoon we have lunch. So that lunch is a healthy, consists of roti, dal, rice, vegetables, salad and curd. Sometimes we have snacks in the evening. Okay, sometimes only, not every time. We have dinner at night. We call a morning breakfast, in the afternoon lunch, and evening snacks, and we call a night at dinner. Okay, so we should have a light dinner as it helps us to sleep well. Okay, so in these topics we learnt about in this lesson, and also we learnt about good habits. So there is a classroom activity for in this lesson, page number 47. Yes, let us see one by one. Say whether the following statements are right or wrong. So if the statement is right, you will put a right mark on this box. If statement is wrong, so you will put a wrong mark on this box. Okay, so first one, we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Okay, So this statement is right or wrong? Yes, this statement is right. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Next, people who eat fish and meat are called vegetarians. No, this statement is wrong. Okay, so we'll put a wrong mark on this box. Third one, we eat breakfast at night. This statement is right? No, this statement is wrong because we eat breakfast at morning. So we'll put a wrong mark on this box. We must always have our meals on time. Yes, so this is a good habit. So we'll put a right mark on this box. Next, fifth one, we must eat junk food every day. No. Okay, so this is a bad habit. So I will put a wrong mark on this box. So next, fill in the blanks. First one, dash gives us energy for all our daily activities. Okay, which thing is give us energy for all our daily activities? Yes, food gives us energy for all our daily activities. So I will write about food. Next, we eat dash in the afternoon. Okay, lunch. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Third one, we should eat dash and clean food. We should eat fresh and clean food. Next, we must dash the food properly. So we must chew the food properly. We must drink plenty of water. Okay, so next, cross the odd one out. First one, apple, mango, potato, banana. So we'll put a wrong mark or odd out in this word like a potato because apple, mango and banana, so these are all fruits, but potato is a vegetable. So that's why this is not add this group. Next, wheat, rice, bajra, cashew nuts. So wheat, rice and bajra, so these are all grains, but cashew nuts not add this group. So you will put odd one out. Okay. Next, third one, radish, beans, carrot and cucumber. So I will put a wrong mark on this vegetable like a beans because radish, carrot and cucumber we eat raw items, but beans is not eat a raw item. Okay, so that's why this is not add this group. Next, almond, pista, jowar and walnut. Almond, pista and walnut, so these are all nuts items, but jowar is a grain item, so you will put a wrong mark on this word. Fifth one, milk, egg, meat, fish. Okay, so I will put a wrong mark on this word like a milk. Next, tick the food items that are good for your health and cross that are unhealthy food items. Okay, so let us see one by one. So first one is fruit juice. So this is a this food item is good for our health. So I will put a right mark on this box. Next, aerated drink. So this is a hot means warm drink also. So sometimes this drink is good for our health and sometimes this drink is unhealthy for our health. Okay, so I will put a right mark on this box. Next, cake. Cake is not healthy for our this food item is good for not good for our health because this is a cholesterol content, means sugar content item. So I will put a wrong mark on this box. Next, vegetable roll. So this is also good food item for our health. So I will put a right mark on this box. Next, fruits also good item for our health. So I will put a right mark. Burger, so this is a junk food, so this is not good item for our health, so I will put a wrong mark. Next, nuts also good for our health, so I will put a right mark. And meat also good for our health, so I will put a right mark. Sweets and chocolates, so these are all not good food item for our health, because these are all sugar content items. Okay, so I will put a wrong mark. So once again I will say good food items like a fruit juice, aerated drink, vegetable roll, fruits, nuts and meats. So these are all good food items for our health, so I will put a right mark. Next, cake, burger, sweets and chocolates, so these are all sugar content, junk foods and carbohydrate content items, so you will put a wrong mark on this box. So today we will discuss about your EVS lesson, revision lesson for this lesson for food. So you don't have a more time, so you practice it more, particularly in these activities. Okay, thank you.